Hey friends, it's Shirley Bovshow, your foodie gardener, and I want to show off an herb garden that I created here at Home and Family. You know what? It's only 5 feet deep by 15 feet wide, but I have over 65 herbs growing here, representing 20 different types of herbs. And the ones that I'm talking about today are specifically herbs that you can grow for a delicious cocktail or a virgin drink, lemonade, iced tea, just to give it some delicious flavor. Now, the first thing you want to do when you select a site for your herb garden is you want to make sure that you have at least 6 hours of full sun, because the herbs will need that to grow. The other thing, really important, is place your herb garden, if possible, near your kitchen, because when it's time to cook, you don't want to traipse through your yard looking for your herbs. You want it really close and accessible. Number 3, utilize your small garden space really wisely. And what I mean by that is, take a look. All right, I have a series of these really cool, tall strawberry pots. Now this one here has 20 planting pockets. So I've got basils, all kinds, you know, Thai basil and spicy basil and oregano. And up here, look at this, delicious lemongrass. I can just imagine so many delicious drinks to make with this. But with this, I also, if you notice, I placed the pot on a paver in the garden bed. And the reason for that is a lot of times when you have a heavy pot, it tends to sink into the ground and it looks disgusting. Not only that, it's not very practical. Another tip, use a plant dolly. Check this out. I'm gonna rotate this and I can have even sunshine for my herbs to grow beautifully as I put them and leave them on this dolly. So you can move it around, you can even lock the casters, but I have 3 of them here. Another idea that's not so traditional is to use your arbor as a place for a multi-level garden. I mean, really, this one had a vine that was kind of weighing it back and it was falling, so I got rid of it, and what I did was I stabilized it with some rebar, and then I added a shelf along the width here, and underneath I put from a closet, just, you know, like a hanging rack. And now I'm able to have a top shelf here for all my mints. These are delicious tea mints. Ever seen chamomile tea? That's that little baby right there. Isn't that cool? So this is kind of like my mint/tea garden right in here. Very important. Never plant mint or peppermint directly in the ground. It's highly invasive. It will take over your garden. It's exactly what happened to us earlier, and that's why I changed it out. So keep it in a pot or put it in on top of your concrete patio. And then we just hung some strawberries. I've got some delicious tarragon back here. Absolutely delicious, but make use of your space. I also planted in the ground. I have some shiso growing here, some cilantro. Salsa, anyone? So you can really easily maximize your space by just thinking out of the box. There's lots you can do if you have the kind of mind that says, I'm going to approach this design differently. So enjoy an herb garden like this for cocktails or for those delicious summer beverages.